Hey, what's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to show you what's inside of this Yamaha subwoofer. You can see it here. It's Yamaha, and the model is not getting focused. Yeah, NS SWP20. Maximum input 100 watts and 6 ohms. So this subwoofer came with the home theater package. That's YHT 1810, and I'm not using this subwoofer because I have a subwoofer amplifier and a passive 12-inch Sony driver, so it was lying around, and today I thought that I must see what's inside and how the speaker quality is and what's else inside of this box. So let's just open it up. Alright, so I open up the front cover, and this is the driver. I think it's 6-inch maybe, or 615, and rubber surround. Build quality looks good from outside, and let's open this thing up. Alright, so I removed the 4 mounting screws. Here they are, and let's take it out of the box. Here it is. It's a good size magnet. It says Yamaha, 6 ohms, China, and that's it. There is the wire connecting to the terminal over there, and this is the main port, or air pipe for passing the air, as this is a ported enclosure, and nothing else inside, no polyfill stuffing, nothing. It's just a plain box, and something is here. It's kind of soft, like cushion type. I don't know what is it and why it is there. Anyway, that's it, guys, and I hope you liked the video. So click the like button and share it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.